Hello knitters, this is Jessica the Lefty Knitter with KnitChats. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a make one left and then a make one right. Just to cut time, I've knit part of my swatch and I've placed stitch markers right in the middle. So I've knit to my stitch marker and this is where I'm going to do my first increase. So I'm going to, for my make one left, you open up your knitting, and you've just knit this stitch and you're about to knit this stitch. Well, there's a bar in between that connects them both. That's what we're going to work. We're going to go around the back of that bar with our needle that we're working from and lift it up. I like to hold that needle, I like to get that needle close so that it's loose, and then hold the back of that stitch because we're going to work it as if it's a regular stitch. Just knit it. Now see how the yarn on top leans to the left? That's how I know I've just made a make one left. So I'm going to mark it with my stitch marker and knit my stitches in between. And then I'll shift my stitch marker here. Now we have, again, the stitch that we just knit and the stitch that we're about to knit with that bar in between. I'm going to do a make one right. So I'm going to go over through the top and lift it up. Now for this one, we're not going to knit it like a regular stitch because it leaves a huge hole. Instead, we're going to work through the back loop. See that? And the yarn twists so that it leans right. So now I'm going to go ahead and finish my row, and since it's a swatch, turn my work and purl back. It's not much to see yet, but let's knit on. Okay, now I'm back at my stitch marker. And I'm going to make a make one left again. Just for the video, I'm going to get my stitch marker out of the way. We're going to go behind that bar again. This is the make one left behind the bar. And it leans to the left. So I'm going to knit my next 4 stitches. Now we're going to make a make one right, go through the top and knit through the back loop, and it leans to the right. I'm going to knit to the end and purl back. All right, as you can see, it's starting, the work is starting to shift left. I'm going to go ahead and work a few more and then I will be back to show you how the work moves. All right, as you can see, I've worked a few more and you can see how the make one left stitches make everything kind of travel left a little bit. Here are my middle stitches. They just keep going up vertically. And my make one right makes everything just kind of casually travel to the right. This is great for sleeves, you know, imagine this is your shoulder It lays nicely. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Give us a like down below if you did. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us at knitchats.com or ask us down below, and we'll be happy to answer your questions. Happy knitting!